Fun. Nasa adjusting period pa ako na parang, wala na ako sa bahay ni Kuya, wala na kaming daily routine talaga na aabangan. So, medyo, nasa adjusting period. Pero masaya ako na makita ko yung family ko, yung friends ko. Ibang level, the noise outside. Yun lang. Pero aside from that, everything's good and pray for whatever is about to come.
After mo makalabas ng bahay, ano yung first na ginawa?
Okay, so I met, of course, my family was there, tapos we ate pizza. Parang hindi ko kasi alam kung ano yung kinikrave ko. So yun na lang yung ginawa. And then, I met up with Dylan, Mark, and si Gwen after. Dinner time. So, yun.
So what's your plan?
Right now, I don't malalaman yun sa takdang panahon, but definitely, I would want to explore more within acting. We'll do workshops in the next coming months, and then hosting is also something that I want to work with. So definitely, hopefully next year, ma-train ako, and then makikita ko kayo somewhere in the show. So yun, definitely.
Ano yung namiss mo sa PBB?
Yeah.
Wow, namiss ko yung, I feel like I don't know anything talaga about the outside world. Na parang my life is just inside with the other 19 housemates that I'm with. So medyo nakakamiss din yun. Tapos parang feeling namin kahit may mga challenges, provided kami and guided kami ni Kuya. So I think that's something that I miss. Sorry, am I used to it? No! I'm not used to it. Sabi ko, because of my work previously, ako yung usually nasa behind the cameras, dealing with everything, and then now nasa harap. So, nakakahiya pa siya. I'm still getting used to it. Especially nung lumalabas ako, sometimes nakakalimutan ko na, may nakakakilala pala sa akin. So yun, nag-a-adjust pa rin, but slowly there. I mean, I'm happy naman from all the support and the love that I have received from people, especially pag nakita ko sila. So yun.
Medyo polarizing yung show sa PBB. Tapos may mga...
I don't deal with bashers. Yun lang, I think that's something that I've learned. Alexa and Angie also, I had a good conversation with the both of them. And then sobrang dami din nilang sinabi regarding it. How to deal with them, how to really move forward with life, yung ganon. Ang dami kasi sometimes unsolicited advices also. But I really take into account yung mga advices from people also that who knows the industry better. And siguro kasi I feel like if I focus on the negativity, it's gonna drain me also in the long run. So why not just focus on the positivity and then let's just run the world. Pero ganun lang, hate will always be there. But I just hope that people will also be kinder. Kasi no one is perfect at the end of the day. It's always a learning curve and yun. So I just hope the bashers will,
Yung fans, sabi kanina, mas gusto nila hosting, singing, or theater.
wow, gusto ko sana mag-sing, kaso lang, hindi ako binigyan ni Lord ng magandang boses, but definitely I would want to act. That's the number one thing that I want to do. That's why I really want to do more workshops to really fix myself para maging magaling din ako someday. And then hosting definitely is the next one. So, yeah, baka next time. But yun. And then, siguro, I'm not closing my doors. We can do singing workshops, singing lessons, para naman at least hindi nakakahiya yung boses. Ala, si Kuya. Yeah, but definitely we'll do that. Anything, I'm open to anything and everything. I'm already here. So why not? Let's not close any doors. Yun, for me.
Yeah.
Sino yung madalas na housemate na nakakasama mo?
Yes.
Usually talaga it's Jaren, Pinsoy, and then Dylan. So, but ngayon, as in this week, Jaren has been so busy, booked and busy natin yung si Jaren. So, sila talaga yung closest ko, especially Jaren. He knows everything in my life. Tinatawagan ko lang siya or tinatawagan niya din ako pag may news siya, kung may good news, pag may ganun. So, he's really a one call away person for me. And then, yun, sa girls naman, si Colette, lagi kaming nakakall. So, kasi she's not here in Manila right now. So, yun.
Yeah. Dito sa Tabing Ilog, sino yung mga cast na inaabangan?
Actually, inaabangan ko si Joanna. So, pag si Joanna na, I will be there again to support her. But syempre, I'm just excited to see everyone. I have huge respect to people in theater, but especially in musical theater. Alam ko how hard it is. Konti nga lang yung ginawa namin dun sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, pero grabe yung training that we had to go through emotionally and mentally. So I'm just really excited for them and to see their talents also.
Since diba sa Tabing Ilog, yung cast dito karamihan mga taga-PBB.
Yes.
Ikaw, may imagine ka sa nalito na mga theater play?
Mag-theater play ako someday. Wow! Theater play pwede. Musical, parang may better individual or better artist for that. You know, sometimes we also have to think na maybe there are more deserving people for that position. So yeah, but definitely we don't know in the next coming years. Aabangan natin sa takdang panahon.
Since part ka na ng Star Magic family, sino yung Star Magic artist yung gusto mong makapunta?
Joshua Garcia. Talaga. Joshua Garcia. Sa babae, a lot. Like Catherine Bernardo, Kyla Estrada, Janine Gutierrez, ang dami. Parang halos lahat gusto ko makatrabaho. So, kahit anong role, baka naman. I can and I will if pwede mag-audition for certain things. But at least I can also learn from them. They're veteran actors, they're good actors. So, definitely, yes, let's go.
What's who's your favorite in singing? In music?
In singing, I've been listening to Moira. So I love Moira. I love Sarah G. She's a full package performer. So si Sarah talaga. And I think I remember first concert ko before si Sarah. So yeah, I'm excited for that. Mama Tears. And ngayon, favorite ko na si Jerry Garcia. So support na natin.
Pa-invite na lang po yung mga kapamilya to watch Tabing Ilog.
Okay, mga kapamilya, I can't wait for you to watch Tabing Ilog. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Let's go watch Tabing Ilog, the musical.
Yes, thank
Thank
you.
you.